Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Apple and Tesla on the daily, weekly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so Apple, daily chart, $1.68 up, 42 cents down after hours, 29 million shares traded, about a half hour until the market closes after hours. So nice push up guys, right into a great area of resistance with gap fill. 200 moving average. You had the 198.55 as a 618 and the 200 coming up. I'm surprised we didn't get one more push up, but we had calls in this one guys, and we did puts in this one. Right here we did puts, boom boom, in and out. Then we bought calls down here, sold them right there. Great gains on both these trades guys. The Apple calls, they went from 212 to over $4. The puts that we did on Apple, we bought at like 192, and these guys went to like 550 guys. They were terrorizing here on these double moves guys. So we're in and out, no position right now at this point, but we're doing weeklies right now on some of these charts, and man, after 10 days 11 days up into a key area, you got to give this one a shot. We hold gap fill, bounce right up. Now we're just chopping and slopping, guys. Still above the MAs here, the 20 and the 50. Still okay, though, going sideways. But a lot of gap fills to fill here, guys, and a lot of resistance right here. Earnings coming up in the next probably 4 or 5 weeks or so. This could make a run, or do we fade with the markets? Watch the SPY, watch the IWM. Very important with these trades. If those are going up, usually this stuff's going up. If those are going down, usually everything's going down. Today Apple was up with a little bit slightly down market, but Apple, Apple up. They saved the market, saved the world. So Apple guys, let's watch this one. Let's look at the weekly real quick. 50 MA holding it. Let's see where we close on Friday. We're holding the 5-0 retrace as well. Man, what a move. Right into great resistance, guys. Let's see if we get this or if we just chop. If we chop and take a run for the money or run for the roses, guys, we'll start looking for areas of short Apple again. If it pops on earnings, then we'll go for it. If just chops around here, starts to slide, then we'll possibly be looking for bounces again in this one. This one's right now 50% retrace from the high to the low. Got to see some direction in this before I do anything else. But intraday, guys, in and outs, we're doing fine with Apple. So we had two for at least 100%. And Tesla, let's take a look at that. Tesla, let's go to the daily. One of the best trade. Let's start with the weekly. Look at this thing, guys. 50-point moves up and down, up and down. And I got people telling me on StockTwits, this thing's bullish. Well, hell yeah, it is. Came into support. We bought calls, guys. We bought Tesla calls, 265s at 377. They hit $11 today. We were out before that. Some of my members, hopefully they held. I got my almost 100% and I was done in 1 day, 2 days. Come on, take it and run. I think Tesla can go up, but reason I sold, big resistance here, guys. 200 moving average on the weekly. Bullish above it. Close Friday. Bearish if we close below. Remember, we're coming off these high pivots. High, lower high, lower high, lower high. Down in this lower range. Making a run, though. They got to pop it up. Tesla bulls are getting itchy now. Oh, man. He's coming out with the truck and the SUV and the camper and what else? The sports car. And, man, but he still can't build cars. No, I have no idea, guys. I don't follow the news. I could care less. I follow the charts. If you look at the daily, you're in a range now. You have the 200, the 50, and the 20 now. This is more bearish, guys. You're below this. If we can recapture the 20, recapture the 50, it'll be slightly more bullish. But until we get above this gap window, gap fill, guys, I think if we chop in this lower range, Tesla's going lower, guys. Market sell, Qs, IWM, SPY start moving lower. Everything's going lower. I still think we go to 245, 225, 200, eventually 180. I've been telling everybody that, and they're all laughing. But I mean, honestly, this is one of the best trading stocks ever. We go long. We just went long. Killed it on that trade. Out. Done. You make a profit on Tesla on a weekly call option. Done. Not even going to mess around, guys. So watch the 20. Watch the 50 MA. This is the daily chart, guys. And bottom line, you got to get above this one, 276.45, this pivot. All right, it goes there. Next big task, 20 MA, 618 retrace. Next big task, gap fill, 750, fill the gap, and then double top little pivot here with the 50 MA, because this one's going to keep curling down as well as the 20. This 20 runs into price. That can click this over and send this one right back down. Remember, in this lower range, down, sideways. Look at this channel. All right, so keep an eye on that. Again, I had a position. I'm out. I don't care either way. I'm just trying to give you guys some technical analysis to say, hey, good resistance here. Down in this lower range. Look, down, sideways. Needs to get going right now. Starts to move. Again, closes above here. Weekly basis. A little more bullish, but still in the lower range. All right. Stretch from the 20. We talk about that to my members. All right. Big support down here. Triple bottom. You start hitting this a little bit more though, guys, it's going to start getting weaker. So till we don't, if we hold the trend line, we're good. If we break this trend line, we're going downtown. Earnings again, just like Apple though, they can run this right up into earnings like they do every time. I mean, look at this. It's been doing the same thing for years. And I got bulls arguing, well, it's a long-term hold. If you got 50 points every time, say 30 points every time on these moves, and these are pretty double. It makes the high, comes in, pierces it a little bit more, comes in, holds double bottom, goes up, holds double bottom, pierces through. If you wait patient, don't go all in and slow and steady, boom, you catch that move. Comes right back in, where does it go? Double bottom. Model 3, straight up everyone's you-know-what, big, huge short squeeze, then it starts doing the same thing again. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One big move. If you caught any of that big move, 9, 10 down, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, at least 25-point moves. And okay, if you caught any of those for at least 10 to 20 bucks, like the one I caught today, the one I caught here, the one I caught there, the shorts that I caught up here. I think I had 13 trades last year on this one. I think I lost on one. And it was like barely. Where I came back, I was shorting calls on a pop, and shorting calls on Tesla is tough, guys. So I took a smaller position, blew up on me, came right back, and I was just like, take what I can. Option's going to expire. It's Tesla. So that's the lesson learned. But I know you go light, you can handle some pain. It's not that big of a deal. Most traders go all in and they hold on for dear life, and next thing you know, you get squeezed, your head squeezed off or squeezed down. If you take smaller positions, no more than 10% of your total portfolio in a swing, short, or long share trade, you can handle some pain in these. Even if you're upside down 10% either way, a 10% position would yield a 1% loss in your account. Money management on this one is critical. Same with Apple, but this one really 100-point moves up and down. 260, 375, right back down to 260, guys. Even a bigger move than 100. These are all 100-point moves right here. It's incredible. So, all right, guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Go to my website, sign up, and we'll see what this week gives. We've been following the weekly lately, and we'll see what that does on Friday. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless. See you on the charts.